Hey, it's Kim from Schaefer Chevrolet showcasing the 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara Edition with the 2.0 motor. This vehicle is currently priced at $24,400 with a book value of over $30,000 as of today. Obviously those book values can change at any point in time, but the vehicle is also equipped with a remote start, which is one of my favorites, especially here in Michigan. Now we'll go ahead and take a peek at all the other features that the vehicle has to offer in just a moment, but I want to do a quick little walk around for you. Take a peek at the tires, still really good condition there. And there are a couple scratches on the vehicle, very minor that I'm seeing. A couple longer ones, I don't even remember where they went, but kind of what I expect to see. Nothing major that would deter me from the vehicle by any means. It does also have the Alpine system in the back here, which you can go ahead and see. Nice spacing, and the lock right on the handle there for that passive. Now, there we go. There's a tiny little paintless ding. You're not going to really see that. Like I said, I'm trying to pick this vehicle apart, but that's a longer scratch I see there, and a longer scratch I see there on the passenger side. Hinges are always the worrisome spot on these vehicles. Top one looks pretty good, but you do see a little bit of a oxidation there on the bottom. And there. Moving back around to the inside of the vehicle here. Pop to the back seat first. I don't notice any rips or tears or anything that I would be concerned about. Does need a little bit of a detail. Looks like maybe possible staining on the seats, but I don't think anything major. I think it probably should come out, but I'm not one that will ever promise or guarantee that. We will definitely do our best. Now, looking at the vehicle here. Again, I don't notice any rips or tears yet in the seating. I did notice on the center here, do you see there's a little bit of a scuff here and there from, I don't know what they put there, but 57,562 for the mileage. Vehicle does have navigation system, which again is something I tend to love. But no check engine lights or any warning signs. Over there, we've got the navigation there and your different controls and climate settings there. Power windows, all there, and your four-wheel drive system, and universal up top. If you have any other questions in regards to the vehicle, feel free to reach out to me. All that information will be in the description below. Have a great day.